This is the unboxing video for the King Industrial 8" by 13" variable speed wood lathe. The model is KWL-813VS. The reason I'm making this video is because when I was buying this, I went and I looked for unboxing videos and I only found one. So there is room for a second one. This video is coming from the point of view of a beginner who is not knowledgeable about woodworking and does not know all of the terminology. But I'm also the sort of person who reads every word of an instruction manual before I'll turn on the device for the first time. So I researched it quite a bit before I bought it. Why this one really was decided by price. The few that were less expensive than this got really bad reviews and were little tiny machines that weren't good enough for what I want to do. And then after this, it started getting much more expensive very quickly. Lathes can be really expensive. So my theory is that when you buy something new, you should not buy the most expensive model. You should buy something inexpensive that by the time you've worn it out and you need a new one, you know what you want. But I was not going to buy, for instance, one I saw in Canadian Tire that was cheaper than this because it got really bad reviews. Okay, let's just see what's in here. Paperwork. Here. There's a bunch of the accessories. I'll show them in a bit once I get the machine out of the box. Another one of the parts. Got it. Okay, I don't even know if I have an outlet handy. Okay, let's look at some of these tools. This is the shorter of the two tool vests. Very oily. Here's the longer of the two tool rests. Okay, so there you have it. All of the parts that came with the tool are showing here. And the most important thing for me right now is this instruction manual, which I am going to read cover to cover before I touch anything else on this table. And I hope the next video that I make is going to show me using this thing to make some type of item that's not too embarrassing to show off on YouTube.